Make-to-order production, finished goods sales and final assembly, BJE. Hello. When working through these tutorials, you will see the make-to-order process of finished goods from customer quotation, sales order, production planning and execution to the delivery and billing of the customer. The sales order BOM process is supported. The process includes the following steps. Plan production in a make-to-order scenario, optionally with a sales order bill of material. Execute production specific to customer requirements and specification. Improve usability with intuitive confirmation of production operations. Use billing plan, including down payments. The business benefits of this process are to reduce inventory costs by initiating production after you receive a customer order. Reduce time between initial customer inquiry to sales order receipt by streamlining the quote-to-order process. Enable make-to-order production. Reduce master data maintenance efforts by providing sales order BOM processing. Increase transparency into production and inventory costs by enabling sales order specific cost estimates. Execute production specific to customer requirements and specification. Improve usability with intuitive confirmation of production operations. And shorten order-to-cash cycle time by enabling flexible billing plans including down payments. The key process flows covered in the tutorials for this process are to plan production in a make-to-order scenario, optionally with a sales order bill of material. Execute production specific to customer requirements and specification. Improve usability with intuitive confirmation of production operations. And use billing plan, including down payments. You can explore the tutorials at your own pace to learn more about each step.